Hi everyone. So today I'm going to show you how you can record dynamic values of your e-commerce website using Google Tag Manager. So as you can see in this website, there are some products and each of these have a different value. So how we can tell Google Ads that conversion is worth what value? So for that we have to set conversions in Google Tag Manager and use we have to set conversions in Google Ads and then use Google Tag Manager to record that conversions. So that conversions are then sent to Google Ads. So to start measuring, first go to measurement and then conversions. Click on new conversion action. Click on website and just put your URL here and click on scan. Uh, Go to create conversion actions manually using code. Okay, so don't use this option and you can select whatever goal you want for your conversion, but as this is an e-commerce site, so we will go for purchase. You can also do add to cart or begin checkout. So, but for dynamic values, I think purchase is a better conversion action to go with. And then click on use different values for each conversion and choose the currency in which your website is in. It's going to be United States. So here it is. So when it asks you to enter default value, so this value will be used when Google cannot get the conversion data from the Google tag itself. So what I recommend for this is to enter average value of all your products. So let's say let's go for $50. And just you can keep it as it is. So just click on done and then click on save and continue. So after you get this screen, so go to use Google Tag Manager and it's asking you to install the Google Ads conversion tracking tag. So once you have once we have this conversion ID and the conversion labels, go to Google Tag Manager, go to tags and create a new tag. In the tag configuration, go to you click on the center and then go to Google Ads conversion tracking. So here you will have to enter your conversion ID where it's saying as conversion ID. And for the conversion label, just copy this purchase tag and enter it here. Sorry, yeah. And let's name this as Google Ads purchase tracking. And click on save. So after this step, what you need to do is go to plugins and click on add new and search for the plugin GTM 4WP. So this is the plugin and just download, install it and get activate it. So I have already installed it, so I'm going to activate it right now. So once it is activated, just go to install plugins on your WordPress dashboard and then go to settings. Uh, so in the Google Tag Manager ID, just copy this ID that's on the top right of your Google Tag Manager dashboard and paste it here. So make sure this option is set to on, and the container code compatibility mode should be set to the footer of the page. And then click, after making these changes, click on Save Changes. So once you're done with this, go to Integration, and then go to WooCommerce, and then turn on Track Enhance E-commerce option, because in the next video I'm going to show you how you can turn on enhance conversions for Google Ads using Google Tag Manager. So just turn on the settings. Uh, Product per impression should be set to 0. Uh, don't enable Google Ads remarketing tool here. Rest you can check and just click on Save Changes. So once you have made changes here, go to Google Tag Manager and click on Preview. So this is going to open an preview mode for the tag that you've installed, and enter your URL and click on Connect. So once this is open, just click on any product. You will need to make a test purchase in order to verify the tag. You can just mention some random values here. So let's see what that is, and click on place order. So whatever you're doing on the site, it will get recorded in the Google Tags Manager. Mm. Okay. So once you received on the order received page, here on the Google Tag Manager, you will see that all the requests that was sent on the website itself were recorded in the Google Tag Manager. So what you need to do is on the under checkout, you will see purchase. So copy this purchase element, go to triggers, and create a new trigger. Uh, Use a custom event for this, and the event name should be purchase, because here you can see that this this is the trigger we want the Google Tag Manager to check whatever the purchase was made, and click on save. Let's do it. Purchase trigger. And once you made a purchase trigger, go to your tag tab, uh, click on the conversion action that you have created, and at the bottom where you can see the triggering option, just click on that and choose the purchase trigger event that you have just created, and click on save. One more thing you have to do is create a conversion linker tag. Just click on create and click on and name this as purchase tag, and click on save. You don't need to make some additional changes here. So once all this is set up, on the purchase, you can where data layer is mentioned, just click on that. Here now you can see it will here you can see a drop down menu, right? So once you click on that, you can see all the values that that you can fetch via your site, right? So we want this value here, right? So this is the value of the product that was bought. So instead of the 66 number purchase, we have to use the 67 one because this e-commerce option is present in 67 number purchase, and this is a better option to use because it will be much easier for your Google Tag Manager to fetch data using this. So under e-commerce there are items, and under items there is price, right? So what you will have to do is go to Google Tag Manager, uh, go to your purchase trigger, click on edit, and in conversion value. So, so you have to create a variable first. So go to variables and then under user defined variables, click new, and this will be a purchase variable. And create a variable. You need to use a data layer variable. So that data layer variable name will be e-commerce dot items dot price, and click on save. So under e-commerce, we have used the items, and under items there is price. So that's what we are going to use here. So go to tags again, uh, click on the purchase trigger, click on edit, and under conversion value, just select this purchase variable. So this is selected now. You can also choose the country code and transaction ID. So the transaction ID is mentioned here, right? So we can use this as well, and for the currency code, we can use this. So for the currency, we will have to mention e-commerce dot currency. So we will have to check whether this is conversion value is firing the trigger when we make a purchase. So let's save this. So let's click on preview here. It's connecting to the window. Just a second. So once it's connected, so it's connected again to the same window because I didn't close the window here. So let's make this purchase again here. So as you can see, as I'm browsing through the site, every conversion is being recorded on the Google Tag Manager. So let's choose some product here. And let's place the order. So the value here is $54.99. So the order has been placed on the site, and as you can see on the purchase section, right, the tag is fired. The Google Ads purchase tracking tag is fired. This is what we have created in the Google Tag Manager. So when you click on this, let's click on values. It's as undefined. So we will have to check this why this was not properly fetched. Okay, so let's see on the e-commerce. Okay, instead of e-commerce dot items dot value dot price, what we can use is e-commerce dot value. So let's go to variables. and click on this purchase variable that we have just created. So we can just use e-commerce dot value here and click on save. Okay, so let's close this. So let's click on preview again and click on connect. So let's make a purchase again. So let's place the order here. So the order has been placed, and we can say that the purchase tag has on the purchase, the Google Ads tag has fired again. So yeah. So right here we can see that the conversion value has been fetched from our website, and the Google tag is recording that value for us. So when this value is recorded in the Google Tags Manager, it will send this value to the Google Ads. So once you start getting some sales on your website, so the conversion value is going to show up here, and the number of conversions is going to show up here. So you can also add some other variables as well. So let's see. One of the variable is the currency, in what currency you are selling your product. So for that, you will have to mention the currency code here. So for currency code, just click on this and you can use e-commerce.currency. So that will fetch the currency type, and this US dollars that will be also recorded in this conversion as well. So here a separate uh, conversion name will come out as, yeah. So here a separate conversion name will come out as currency name or something similar to that. So for some sites, depending on the theme you are using, you will have to check that what type of you know coding the website has, so that you are properly able to fetch the price from that from that purchase page. So use this the plugin, the GTM plugin. This creates all this. So this may be unique to your site. So like the first time it didn't big fetch this for us. So this you will have to check. But in most cases, what I showed you is going to work perfectly fine for you. Thank you for watching. And if any questions, you can email me on my email, or you can comment and I will reply to you as soon as possible. Thank you.